Alright, so the plan here is to weld these two bolts together. You can see the one that goes into the frame is a fine thread. The one that goes into the old buggy flag is a coarse thread. And so I want to weld these two guys together just like that, so I have a stud coming up from the top of the buggy that the flag can then sit down on top of. I'm going to grind off some of this head, increase this chamfer a little bit to give me a place for the weld to go. So that's next. Alright, here's what we got. The two bolts inside this C-clamp. I got them all lined up. And you can see the larger chamfer that I put in there. Allow the weld to get down, penetrate, and then I can grind it flush once I'm done. So that way I can just hit it with a normal wrench to install it. Alright, let's weld this guy together. Yeah, it'll do. Alright, got my new Suzuki flag installed. I'll show you what that looks like here in a minute. Installed this LED bulb on the top of the whip, and then there's the mount that I made, and of course I added a plug for the lighted whip. That's just wired in to this running light and grabs ground from underneath there. So that's one more thing done.
Right, so here's the final shot of the flag that we installed on the Busa. I'm out in Glamis. Keep watching videos. You'll see a video of this Busa out here. But I want to conclude the flag video by showing you the final flag. Seems like it's working good. It's held up on the first ride. Plenty of wind. Suzuki flag's flying high, having a good time. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to videos so that way you can see all these updates. There's going to be more coming. This thing is freaking sweet, so stay tuned. Watch the rest of the videos. We're having a blast out here.